Even I'm not done.
Hey you,
Sir.
what are you doing in the class hours?
Sir, I just came for the restroom, sir.
You do one thing, you just go to the Raman sir and say Venkatachalapati asked
Okay,
you.
sir. What name he told? Venkatachalapati.
Hey! What?
Hi. Shit. Hey, shall we go to beach tomorrow? Come on, tell me.
Beach,
okay.
If my family knows, that's all.
Don't tell this often, yeah. Shall we go now?
Just go. Hey, that's my father's friend. Come, let's go.
Hey, wait. Let him go and then we can leave. You're grinding something in your mouth, right? What about the beach?
What is he doing?
Whatever the things you have done, I'll be protecting ever.
Oh my god, poetry, poetry.
Really?
Marvelous.
Thank you, thank you.
You go, I'll come.
Okay, doctor.
Tell Sumati.
Did you see Karthik Maga?
I met him.
Thank God. Now only it's fine. I felt very guilty because of me your love separated. Okay. Did you speak with him?
I saw him, but didn't talk.
Why didn't you talk with him even if you see? Did he get married?
I don't know all that. I just didn't talk.
Hey, why are you talking like this? You have went to that city only to meet him, right?
Sumati, I'm in duty. I have to go.
Hey, Maga, please, 1 second. Tell me what happened.
He's not stable in his life. For me, life or love, just confused. Please, we'll call later.
Okay, fine.
Hi, Maha.
Hi, come inside. Sit.
Okay.
Tell Karthik.
Uh,
What do you want?
I need to talk with you alone.
What is there to talk in private? Just talk here. Hi, Mukesh. Come
Hi.
inside.
Who's this guy? I never seen him before, right? Who is he?
Sit down, Mukesh. Mom, Mukesh has come. Come and see.
Coming.
Are you free today?
Yeah, I just resigned my job.
Why?
I got a job for 1 lakh salary, so I'm
Oh.
just joining next week.
Hello, Mukesh. After a long time,
Hi, auntie.
have a juice.
Thanks, auntie. Anyways, I had a juice just right before.
Mukesh, if you're not drinking juice, sure I won't have anything.
Okay.
Karthi, you also take. Karthi,
Huh?
right now what job you are doing?
Auntie, just now I have been looking for the work.
Actually, you have to search a bride, but you are searching a job.
I'll leave now, auntie.
Why are you leaving so soon?
I'll come tomorrow.
Mukesh, thanks for having juice at my home.
Okay, I'll leave
Bye.
now.
Why did I ask you to come here, do you know?
Mm-hmm.
Knowingly, unknowingly, I have created an impression in your heart. Then, the mistake is also my side, right? That's why I have taken a decision. The decision I have taken, you too will accept, I guess. You feel so intrusive about the decision, right? Okay, let me straight come to the point. From today, next 10 days, I'll act as your wife. However you want to handle a wife, you can do the same. Later, you are a different person, I'm different. Shouldn't disturb. What are you trying to think? I can understand. I'm not such a bad woman. I'm virgin. I mean, I'm a virgin girl. Hello. What is your decision?
Uncle,
Hmm?
have you come to meet Maha?
Yes, dear.
She is in terrace.
Oh, thank you so much.
Hey, nothing as such. Oh, Padma, we'll call later.
Maha, just a second. Please, Maha. Why do you act like this? I'm not a stranger to you, right?
Hello. What actually you want?
Huh? It's only you.
Mr. Karthi, what we had at the engage is just an infatuation. Keeping those memories and behaving like this is too weird, right?
Childhood. It's not the days like we are sucking our fingers. Or these things. Have you played like children like these things, huh? We were in deep love.
According to me, life is more important than love.
I can get you what you're thinking. Till now I'm a wastrel. But please believe me. Hereafter I'll be good in life, yeah.
Shall I tell you a small story? Newly married husband and wife went to a temple. When the stone heard a wife's foot, the husband questioned the stone, "Sinful stone, why did you hurt my wife?" The same husband and wife went to the same temple next year. Again the same stone hurt the wife. The husband said, "Can't you be aware that the stone is there?" This is what? Psychology of men. I don't believe these fairy tales of love. I'm not ready to. Why so? When you really want to convince a girl, you will tell as if even you can carry the Himalayas. Once she get convinced, you will not even pick a glass and give her.
You know me about well, Maha. But please, don't doubt my love, Maha.
Hello, Karthi. Come to practical life. Nowadays, love is just a time pass. Keep flirting until we get married, or else just say bye and leave.
To say bye, what did I do, Maha?
You and me are not good match.
Yeah, what's the matter?
Just think, in wedding card, after my name there will be MBBS. But after your name,
I too want BA history, Maha.
okay, let's keep it BA. Is there a link between BA and MBBS? We can't even compete in studies. How can we compatible in life?
Whatever the things you're looking in your life, it may make you rich, Maha. But there is an happy that you have forgotten, Maha. You can feel when you find a right person, Maha. Even after all this, you're avoiding me means I'm dare to jump from here.
Hello? Yes, Mom. I'm here on the terrace. Yes, Ma?
Uncle, this is my toy.
Okay, dear.
Mom, bring mutton biryani when you come.
Mutton biryani.
Karthi, I told my wish. Rest is Your decision. I'm leaving.
Maha, you're leaving. Go. You can't see me even you wish to. Let me die.